All right, guys, welcome back. So here, I've decided, this is the case I'm going to give away. This is the Pelican, 2750? Yeah, 2750. No, 29, it's a 2925 or 2920. It's one of those two. I believe so, yeah. I can leave a link to the exact one, brand new, from Pelican website in the comments for reference. So that way you can see like what it would cost brand new and the measurements and such like that. But this is the one I'm going to give away. And for this video, I'm going to go through the process of taking the guts out of this and emptying it. What I'd like to do is preserve as much of the foam as possible because the person who wins this may want to have some foam to work with. Or, you know what else I was actually considering? I will empty this out and then I will buy a replacement foam for this. So it's got a brand new foam. So the winner gets this mailed to them with brand new foam. That's what we're going to do. Okay? So how does it work? Well, you got to subscribe. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And you, at 500 subscribers, we're going to do a raffle. And that means, I need share this and tell people to subscribe. But I will also have a Linktree or something like that, and build an email list possibly there. This is kind of all moving real fast, but we're gonna give this away to the subscribers. And once we hit 500, I'm gonna go through the process of taking this out, just to see if I could do it, what it's like. Here's what I got. I got a crowbar, I got a mallet, then I got this tapping knife. But this is to like maybe scrape glue and stuff. So let me just see here, right? Let's start with this piece right here. Okay. Neighbors are not gonna like that all day. Okay. Got it. I got a decent portion of it. All right, so let's see here. Let's see here, guys, so you can just kind of see. Okay, so it's definitely gonna be a lot of work. Well. Slow and steady. So maybe let's talk about what can fit in this case, all right? Hang in there. Let me see. The neighbor's gonna kill me. I guess that's one thing about being in the city, right? It's one thing about being in the city. But it is what it is. So I'm hoping this evacuation kit. Don't forget, we're giving this away. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to fill it with new foam. Replace the foam with brand new foam. Reconditioned. So, where's that foam coming from? It's going to come from a place called Faux America. FOAMERICA.com. Faux America. Foam, Faux America. It's great. Gotta love that name, right? Now, they're like probably the cheapest I've seen stuff. Even though they're an authorized dealer, they have like special add to cart prices that just on the regular, if you want a brand new one, that's the way to go. Oh, man. Alright, so in case you ever need to do this, you can see it's some real work. Not difficult, but just real. Okay, so turn the corner there, and it is solid all the way around. Whew. Okay, let's see if I can just kind of work it without... There's so much double entendre in this conversation. Okay, and let's just get to work here. Ooh. Okay, all right. Okay, now see this one, I don't know if you can see it. See, it's got a hard plastic piece right here, but there's no screws or anything, you know, so it's just glued to this piece of foam. So this is like a real super specialty type of foam. I remember doing a search for other custom foam options, and there's a number of them out there. The one I recall specifically only does it for certain models, but you can contact them and they can like, if depending on what model you have, if they have a template that could work, they can do something custom for you. You'd have to, you got to do your own research right now and talk to the salespeople with whatever case you got, you know. So okay, this is getting there. Let's see. All right. Okay. All right. That part's gone. There you go. Okay, look at that. Big old piece. I believe this is Kaizen foam, if I'm not mistaken. This is the same kind of foam that the briefcase pistol configuration custom foam is made of, and I will link to that. That's in the other video. You should go watch the other videos. Go watch the one on the Pelican 1510. That's the video that has the example of this custom foam for a Pelican 1520. So the 1520 has custom Kaizen foam like this hard foam, pre-cut for I believe 5 pistols and about 15, 18 magazines. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so this isn't gonna come out without breaking. So just gonna keep prying it, cut it out, loosen it up. There we go. Get it out in chunks. And I can remove these other parts because this plastic piece in here is actually making it rigid. So let's see. What would you guys be using right now? What do you think is good for this? I was told maybe try like an electric knife or something like that. Electric scissors, electric knife. Something like the electric turkey cutter. But I'm just gonna use elbow grease and stick to it in this here. So now this custom foam, right, would not be like the custom foam you probably find if you bought it from someone on Marketplace or Craigslist, that, you know, they're just also like more or less like residential or quote unquote civilian, right? Because I'm sure 9 out of 10 of these real beat up ones probably come from some kind of a former military thing too. You know, I've seen ones for sale that say like human intelligence on the placard. Now who knows if those were like real or props maybe, you know, because just who knows. But all right, it's the sound of glue breaking. That's a good sound right now. So I'm trying to get this going there. All right, so that's coming out. There we go. Big rip. Yeah, there we go. All right, look at that. Big chunk. Okay. Oh yeah, there's lots of glue on the bottom of this one. Well, the new foam is real nice for whoever wins this. Remember, we're doing a subscriber giveaway. 500 subscribers. Giving away this guy right here. And then I'm gonna do another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And you can win this very, this exact Pelican case, Pelican 2920. 2920. Somebody look it up. I will have the link in the description after, just to confirm. I got a little confused. So let's see here. Take this crowbar now. Back over here. See if I can just get bigger chunks of it. Maybe not. Okay. Cut that off. Good. All right, guys, hang in there. It's coming there. It sure is coming. Told you, lots of double entendre. This one, just so you guys can see progress there. Yeah, almost there. Last corner is just a huge chunk. Just one big old chunk. Hammer. Let's see here. Let me get that popping. Okay. Once again, guys, to get a subscriber giveaway, I'm giving away this case once I get all this foam out. And then I will put some brand new foam in it. Okay? And give it away a raffle. We're doing the raffle at 500 subscribers. Then we're going to raffle a second one off at 1,000 subscribers. But I have quite a number of others of these cases, and so I will continue to take them and trick them and customize them, at least replace the foam, I guess, right? And we'll give out a few more of these. So just make sure you're subscribing for a chance to win. All right. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Ta-da. There it is, buddy. Nice. Okay. So it's ugly, right? This one's the ugly one. Let me see if this is more. This other tool might come in handy, I'm thinking here. You know, it's got a lot of glue and residue. So a lot of times it doesn't have this much glue. But, you know, this one does. So that brand new replacement foam is going to do wonders for this. It's going to be nice. Stay tuned for that, guys. All right. So there you go. We're doing a subscriber giveaway. We're giving away this guy. I'm going to put some brand new foam in it, replacement foam. And we'll come back and I'll do another video. Thanks for watching. remember, if you want to, you know, this is to give you guys an idea of evacuation type bug out kits, you know, with the used Pelicans and the sizes where you really want to be at for it to be really worth kind of your time, especially if it's one grab and go thing. It does make sense. You want something big but maneuverable, can handle enough stuff that's an actual, you know, it's worth it. Storing it in your, like if you have a large big trunk or the bigger Pelican cases, you know, they have really big ones. You know, check the other videos. I got more videos coming too. But you know, it gets harder to stash in like your apartment. So you know, I'm thinking this one hopefully is like someone can slide under someone's bed. If not, you know, you can do what you want with it. You can resell it. I really don't care. But obviously, if you're here and you're watching because you're interested in this kind of stuff, so this will give you a chance to really see, I guess, one of these Pelicans. I'm gonna get by the end of this, the correct name of this model will be in the title. So that's how you'll know what you're looking at. Okay? All right, guys.